What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. We just finished tasting my pickles that I made. So if y'all haven't seen that video or the reaction video, make sure y'all go and see that. Today we're gonna be making a simple one pot chicken and rice. Nothing too crazy, okay, y'all? Before we get started, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally. Don't forget that, okay? Without further ado, let's get to it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really know you.
Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is season it with a little bit of seasoning salt, onion powder, garlic powder, a little smoked paprika. I could not find my Italian seasoning, so we just gonna skip it, but you could use a little bit of that. I'm not gonna use all of this on the chicken, most of it though, because I'm gonna save a little bit for the rice. So we're just gonna sprinkle this on there and mix it up. So now we got the meat all nice and coated. We just gonna move that to the side and start on our rice. I have about 2 cups of rice cleaned already. Just try to even it out. Some mushrooms on top of this. Y'all, this is super simple. We're gonna throw some onions, roughly chopped. We ain't gotta make it all perfect, because this going right in the oven. Some garlic, throw a little bit of this gravy on there. Probably won't use all of this. About half of that. Then we're gonna season it with the rest of those seasonings. Then I'm gonna throw in a cream of chicken with herbs. And about 4 cups of beef broth. Get that a good mix. We're gonna add our chicken on top. All right, then we're gonna add some butter, 1 stick. We're gonna cover this really, really tightly with some foil. So we just want to take this foil off and let it cook for 15 more minutes. Just gonna add a little cheese on it. A little parsley. Now we're just gonna let the cheese melt and then we're gonna eat it. All right, y'all, so this is how it came out. Y'all can use chicken breast if y'all want to. Y'all know in this family we use chicken thighs. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.